Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these earrings. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing to make this earring are a flat donut bead, a faced bead which is 5 by 4 millimeter, an acrylic flower, a head pin, an earring hook, and another faced bead which is 11 by 8 millimeter. The tools I'm going to be using are a bend nose plier. You could also use a chain nose plier. In case there's excess and I need to cut some of the head pin, I'm going to use this flash cutter, and I'm also going to use this round nose plier. So let's get started onto making this earring. The first thing I'm going to do, since the acrylic flowers is inside this flat donut bead, I'm going to line it up. After I put my faced bead inside the acrylic flower, I'm going to add a flat donut, but notice it's only like halfway on and the rest is just dangling. So what I'm going to do is put the top part only of the flat donut, like that, and just put it through. Now try to get the flower in the middle of the flat donut, just like this. Now we're going to add another faced bead, and we're going to start making our loop. We're going to bend it. Since this is too long, I'm going to cut some of the head pin off and leave about half a centimeter left, like that. Now I'm going to start making my loop using my round nose pliers. Open it like a jump ring, add your earring hook, and close it just like the way you opened it, also like a jumper. You have your earring. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on videos we could do on this channel, like beading or crafts, and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!